Hello and welcome to my channel Shades of Pink. I am Sushmita and today I'm gonna do a soft glam look makeup. Here I am with my basic skincare and I'm done with my eyebrows. So I am going to use the Sugar Cosmetics Ace of Face foundation in the shade 32 Cortado and an NC35 on MAC Maybelline 220 on the Maybelline Superstay foundation. A little bit, as I said, that I am going to be doing this soft glam look. I'm not going to use a lot of product on my face because it's really very creamy in texture. So, and as it is a stick foundation, I will make sure that I dab it to give a very natural look, and it's going to be a very natural makeup that I do. This soft glam look can be carried in different scenarios, in different situations out of the house, whenever you go out, especially on events, at school. Okay, so this is with minimalistic makeup that I am going to do. I use the same foundation stick just to make sure that it looks like a concealer. I don't have much to conceal, and you can see that it gives me a proper coverage. I'm not going to use a concealer because it's going to make my face even more bright. Keep it very subtle and simple, so natural makeup and with limited products. And to set my makeup, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Warm Nude under my eyes. I have to set to give a little dimension to my face. I'm going to use a flat brush and I am going to use the Mars Brow Palette. Okay, I'm going to use the brown shade from here. You can see it has given me a little dimension all over my face. And now on the high points of my cheek, I'm going to use a little bit of blush to give that pink look. For the blush, I am using the Blue Heaven Lip and Cheek Tint. Okay, and this is in the shade Rosy Dusk. This is my favorite shade. Okay, it gives a lot of color. Use it on the temples of my cheeks rather than on the apples of my cheek because I already have a round face. Using a soft sponge, I'm going to just blend it all. For the highlighter, I am going to use, and this is the inside highlighter in the shade Savage Barbie 05. It right above where I have placed my blush, just to add that little bit of glow on my face, the shine. I'm going to set this all with a setting spray, but before that I'm going to use a mascara for my eye, Body Shop Super Volume Mascara. Okay, this is one of my favorite mascaras. My eyelashes don't get clogged and clumpy when I use this. You see the difference? Yeah. Outline my lips, I'm going to use the Faces Comfy Matte, and this is in the shade 07. And I'm going to fill it with the Glam 21 in the shade 03 Hot Coffee. This is a beautiful nude color. It's almost the shade of my. I'm not going to use eyeshadows on my eyes today. And I'm using the Gloss Me Lip Gloss from Swiss Beauty. It's a transparent lip gloss. And then this is one of the most simple soft glam look that you can carry without having any efforts of making eyeshadows or something. So it helps your eyes look very simple. You just have a coat of mascara and that's it. You are good to go. I'm going to seal the entire makeup using a makeup spray. And that's the end look, guys. Do let me know as to how you like this look, because it is just so simple to create. That's it, guys. If you like the video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much. Bye bye.